Hey, first grade, I'm going to go ahead and record our video on sky patterns for our science unit, the sun and the seasons. So this is posted in our Google Classroom, and I have links here too if you would like to view them on your own. All right, so let's talk about the sun and the seasons. All right, so the sun is the brightest object in the sky, and it lights up the sky even on cloudy days. The sun is a star, and depending on the time, the sun is in different parts of the sky. On your own, you can click on the sun and watch a Brain Pop Jr. video. The sun's path across the sky. We've been talking about how the sun moves, and it changes based on the time of day. When you know the sun's pattern, you can predict where it will be in the sky. In the morning, the sun rises in the east, and in the afternoon, the sun sets in the west. We can click on the sun's path to watch a video. But you can do that on your own. Sunrise. The sunrise is when the sun first appears in the sky. For example, when I woke up this morning, I got up so early that I got to watch the sun rise in the east. To watch the sunrise, you can click on sunrise. You can pause the video to watch it now or watch it at the end. Sunset. This is when the sun appears to leave the sky, and we don't see it in the sky anymore. For example, after dinner, I'm allowed to play outside until the sun sets. When the sun sets, it's dark outside, and we get light usually by street lights turning on, and that's sometimes when we have to turn lights on in our house. You can pause the video now to watch an example of the sun setting if you click on the word sunset right up here in blue. You guys, what's happening in this picture? Okay, you can turn to a family member, or you can pause the video, or you can tell me what is happening in this picture. And I have a sentence stem for you right here. In this picture, the sun, so can you say, in this picture, the sun is, and tell me what's happening. That's right. In this picture, the sun is rising. Good job, first grade. It's starting to rise in the east. The sun gets brighter as the sky gets brighter as the sun rises. And sometimes we are awake when the sun rises. All right, you guys, what is happening in this picture? So we're going to start over here. What is happening in this picture? You can turn to a family member or a partner, or you can tell me, in this picture, the sun is starting to set in the west. As the sun starts to set, the sky gets darker. All right, we have an experiment to build a house. You have materials, and we are going to use your flashlight. We've built our house already. You're going to use your flashlight to pretend you're the sun. Shine it through the windows of your little house and see how the sun can rise and how the sun can set. And then tell me what you noticed. What did you notice when you moved the flashlight? I noticed the sun. How did it move? Good job, good job. When I moved my flashlight, I noticed that the sun shone through the windows when it was rising in the east, and then it started to set in the west, and we didn't see as much anymore. So, lastly, the sun is in different places in the sky at different times of the day. It rises in the east and sets in the west, and that's a pattern. If you would like to watch any videos in this slideshow, you can go back and pause my video and click on the links. Comment below in Google Classroom with any questions. Bye!